In this problem, a hydrogen atom initially at rest in its ground state absorbs a photon of frequency mu1 and ejects the electron with kinetic energy 10 electron volts. The electron then combines with positron at rest to form positonium atom in its ground state and simultaneously emits a photon of frequency nu2. The center of mass of the resulting positonium atom moves with a kinetic energy 5 electron volt. It is given that positron has same mass as that of electron. The positonium atom can be considered as a Bohr atom in which the electron and the positron orbit around their center of mass, considering no other energy lost during this whole process. The difference between the two photon energies is. So let us solve. Hydrogen atom initially is at rest. So what is the rest ground state energy of hydrogen atom? 13.6 electron volt. Absorbs a photon of frequency nu1. So absorbs a photon energy. Then ejects an electron with kinetic energy. He ejects an electron with kinetic energy 10 electron volt. So from this what we got, energy of a photon E1 is equal to h nu1 is equal to 13.6 10 plus 13.6, that is 23.6 electron volt. That is E1 value. Now that is over. The electron then combines with the positron at rest. Now electron energy is 10 electron volt. So this is electron, ejected electron. It is ejected electron. So this ejected electron combines with a positron. So ejected electron is having 10 electron volts energy. So because of this electropositronium atom is formed. So this is it is a positronium, this is a positronium atom. Positronium atom formed. For positron atom is ground state. So this is in ground state. Atom moves with the ground state, emits a photon. So emits photon of frequency nu naught, and the center of mass of the resulting positonium moves with kinetic energy 5 electron volt. Here this equation we can write 10 electron volt plus is equal to, this is ground state energy of positonium plus h nu naught plus 5 electron volt. So ground state energy of positonium we have to calculate. So what we know, whenever this positonium electron becomes acts as an electron only and positonium as a nucleus. So these two are moving around this about a center of mass. Whenever the electron nucleus moving around a center of mass, the total energy, ground state energy, total energy of this kind of atom is given by 10 electron volt is equal to, the formula is, what is the formula for this? So ground state energy is equal to minus 13.6 into z square by n square into the reduced mass by mass of electron. This is the formula. So this formula we know. So this formula is used to find the ground state energy of positronium. So let us use that one, minus 13.6 into, this is hydrogen like Bohr's atom. So hydrogen like atom, so that is Z is equal to 1, and it is having only one orbit k, n principal quantum number n is equal to 1 into the reduced mass formula, mass of electron, here mass of nucleus is the proton now here, by mass of electron plus mass of proton into 1 by mass of electron plus 5 electron volt. So here one mass of electron will cancel. Now 10 electron volt is equal to minus 13.6 into, here what given in the problem, these are the given things and known things. Mass of the electron is equal to mass of the positron, mass of the positron they have given. One positron is there, so that's why Z is equal to 1 we have taken. So here mass of the electron by mass of the electron, mass of the positron, both are same. That's why mass of the electron plus 5 electron volt I will write, plus this h nu 2 is there, right? I forgot to write here, h nu 2 also there. So this is the equation. Now me cancels, 2 ones 2 6 and 2 8s. So equation comes like this, 10 electron volt is equal to minus 6.8 electron volt plus 5 electron volts plus energy of a photon. That photon is emitted here. So this happens to be 10 electron volt is equal to minus 1.8 electron volt plus h nu naught. From this h nu naught will get, so energy of the photon emitted h nu 2 is equal to this 10 plus 1.8 electron volt, that is 11.8 electron volt. That is equation 2. So what we have to calculate in the problem, they ask to calculate difference between the two photon energies. So difference between two photon energies is equal to E1 minus E2. E1 is 23.6 electron volt minus 11.8. So that is 11.8 electron volt. So our answer is, let us revisit the problem. So the answer for the numerical question 10 is 11.8 electron volts.